Meet Pika, your fastest way to start 3D scanning. Scan whenever inspiration strikes. Just grab it and go. 160 grams. It's about as light as your smartphone. No bigger than an action camera, but it's a full-featured 3D scanner. Make sure the battery is inserted in the correct direction. Insert the battery, switch to WN mode, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Connect to Wi-Fi, open the app, and Pika connects automatically. Discover more on the Creality 3D Scanner official website.